In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add annotations in Clipchamp step by step. If you want to highlight important points, add callouts, emphasize key moments, or simply make your videos more engaging and professional, annotations are a powerful tool you should be using. The best part is that Clipchamp makes this process incredibly simple once you know where to look. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything from opening your project to customizing your annotation so it fits perfectly with your video. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, you need to open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. From your dashboard, either create a new video project or open an existing one that you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video clips are already placed on the timeline. This will help you position your annotation exactly where you want it to appear. You can zoom in on the timeline if you need more precise control over timing. Having your footage ready before adding annotations will make the process much smoother and faster. Next, look at the left-hand side panel inside the Clipchamp editor. Here, you'll see different options like Media, Templates, Text, and Content Library. Go ahead and click on Content Library. This section contains additional creative elements that you can add to your project, including overlays, graphics, stickers, and annotations. Once you click on Content Library, take a moment to browse through the available categories. You'll notice there are various design elements that can help enhance your video visually. Now, inside the Content Library, click on Annotations. This is where you'll find different annotation styles, such as arrows, circles, highlights, and other callout graphics. These are perfect for pointing out specific parts of your video, drawing attention to buttons, emphasizing text, or guiding viewers step by step. Scroll through the available options and choose the annotation that best fits your needs. Once you find one you like, simply drag and drop it onto your timeline above your video clip. Make sure you place it on a track above the footage so it appears as an overlay. After placing the annotation on the timeline, you can adjust its position by clicking on it in the preview window and dragging it to the exact spot you want. You can also resize it by dragging the corners and rotate it if needed. To control how long the annotation stays on screen, drag the edges of the annotation clip in the timeline to extend or shorten its duration. This gives you full control over timing, so it appears exactly when you need it and disappears at the right moment. If you want to make your annotations even more effective, try combining them with text or subtle animations. Keep your design clean and avoid overcrowding the screen so your viewers stay focused on the main message. Small, well-placed annotations are often more powerful than large, distracting ones. And that's it. That's how you add annotations in Clipchamp quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to make your videos more dynamic and professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.